Hey, how's it going? My name is Michael Young, and this is Messick Vale, and we're talking about a board foot. Um, what is a board foot? Well, the formula for determining a board foot in Excel and the spreadsheets that we use is the quantity times the breadth in inches times the depth in inches times the length in feet, and that all over 12. And 12 is the conversion, converts it into the board feet. And right there's the formula plugged in. So to kind of show this visually, we're going to start out with a square foot. And I'm working in Rhinoceros and Excel to do this. Let's see, 12 inches and 12 inches. So right there we have a square foot. And you'll see that without any depth, it's not a board foot. So we'll turn this into a board foot. We'll add an inch in depth, and now right here we have this is 12 inches in breadth, 1 foot in length, and 1 inch deep, and that gives us one board foot. Now the difference between a board foot and a cubic foot is that a cubic foot, let's see, is 12 inches deep. So in this cubic foot here, 12 inches by 12 inches by 12 inches, we have 12 board feet. Alright, and so now I can show, so you can get a board foot in many different shapes. It doesn't have to be 12 inches wide, so we'll look at a 2 by 4 here. Let's see. I'll use this tool again. All right. So we'll do 1 foot, 2 inches. Okay, and then 4 inches deep. So right there we have one 2 by 4 that's 1 foot in length, and that's 0.7 board feet. So it's not quite a board foot. Say we take this up to 6 feet. Now we have a 6 foot 2 by 4, and I'll change the length here. That was the wrong one. Sorry. It's like, what the heck happened? All right, 6. Okay, so that's now 4 board feet in that 2 by 4. Now, a lot of times in the so timber is anything 6 by 6 and larger, so we work with timber most of the time. So we'll do 1 foot. 1 foot. Try it again. 1 foot, 8 inches. Okay, and then bring it up 8 inches. Now we have our 1 foot 8 by 8. And in that piece right there, we have 5.3 board feet. And we can extend this. We'll extend it out to a 10 footer. A lot of times it's pretty common size of 8 by 8 that we use. Now you'll see that there's 53 board feet in 10 foot 8 by 8. Now, so an 8 by 8, once it arrives on site, is actually 7.5 by 7.5. So we have to buy an 8 by 8, run it through a S4S planer to get it nice and square, and that takes off a 1/2 inch on. Well, it actually takes off a 1/4 inch on every face, so a 1/2 inch overall. So you end up with a 7.5 by 7.5. That's like a 2 by 4 from the lumber yard is actually 1.5 by 3.5 inches. And you can see that that changes the board footage. It's 2.6 now instead of 4, so it's a pretty significant difference. But this is how we calculate volume when we're doing estimates and everything like that, because you need a full size piece to get even when it's smaller when it shows up on site. You need that full-size piece to get that square timber. So yeah, Excel's a great program. It's what you should use when you're tallying up pieces, when you're doing your piece and material counts, because you can, if something changes in your model, you can change it in the sheet. It updates automatically when you put your formulas in there. And this is really simple to put in. Just take equals, parentheses, and then you click in the boxes that you want to use, and hit asterisk for multiplication, and divide that by 12. And then when you want to spread it out to other cells, just do that. And so that's the basics of a board foot. And if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments, and I'll try to get back to you. And yeah, if you have any other questions for other videos that you want to see, things you're curious about, stuff about Rhinoceros or SketchUp or AutoCAD, we use all those programs. And if you like the video, hit like and subscribe, and we'll get some more content up for you in the future. Thanks. Have a good day.